What's up, everybody? CKchrome here. Top of the morning to you. My morning anyways. Before I eat my omelet, I have all kinds of post-production I get to do today. I have 18 lights right here. $25 times 18. Not so much lights I'm going to spit out today. I have another 10 lights coming. Great times. I have my new flag, USA cross. That light's going to probably be assembled and hopefully marketed maybe today or tomorrow. I have my pen lights going. Pen lights. I have my David Buss pen holder going. I like the way it came out, so I put it in my actual white, my cold white, which looks more white. And I'm going to also put the heart charm that I made for my fiance on Etsy. And I'm going to do that, so I have to build a new heart and get that ready for production. And we're going to get that going today. And I may have missed some other things. So anyways, we have some listings, some possible listings. We have some production, post-production. We got to make some caps for the Stanley tumblers. All kinds of fun stuff. So stay tuned. Keep watching. Have a great day. All right, everyone, let's get into the heart charm. I'm going to get this heart charm going to send this up on my Etsy store, and let's get that fabrication started. All right, so we'll set the printer up and we'll get that going, and that'll be next on the list for the Etsy site. Moving forward, let's hope the back of that cross comes together, and let's get that cross light up and running too here. Thanks again. Okay, let's talk about these three pieces. So I don't know if you can tell this on camera, but this one's matte white, this one's your regular white, and this one here is cold white. This one, in my opinion, has a bluish tint, a yellow tint, less of a yellow tint. Let's go ahead and see. You can see on this one, I do not like this. I will not be using this. You can see some issues with the top, issues with the shoulder. Let's see how these supports break off. Supports come off way tougher than the matte, but all in all, seems to be a really sturdy, stout piece. There is a statue of David. What do we got here? A little blemish there. Down here, that's going to be there, but I'm not worried about people seeing that at all. But in my opinion, this turned out very, very nice. So just to show you the difference between the cold white and the matte white, so these guys side by side. You can see how I say one's got a bluish and one's got a yellow. Completely different color, but the same color. Let me know in the description, or let me know in the comments which do you prefer. This one here, the quality is way better. He doesn't have any kind of screw-ups on him at all. Now we're getting to the bigger guy. He did not let me print him whatsoever. Oh, and just to show you, these pens do fit in here. A marker will fit in there. Anything will fit in there. Just to show you. Looks like when I'm stepping around, it's moving my camera. I didn't realize that. So let's see. So this guy here, I had to put this block on here. That was very interesting. This arm kept falling off because these supports were all connected to a little tiny support here. So then, you know what, I just said, screw it. I'm just going to put a huge block in there. That'll make these supports just very stout. A little waste of material, but it'll make it so it'll be a good part. Let's see how this looks. This is regular, just regular Elegoo. Wow, that just fell right off. PLA. I now have a square block. I'm not going to use for anything. Let's see how he breaks off up here. Very, very clean break. So that's what I'm thinking is going on my Etsy store. I'm going to get a marble filament, but I'm definitely thinking this guy here is going to be on the store. Let me know in the comments how much you think. I don't know, somewhere around $7, maybe $5 in filament. I'm not sure. 40%. It's dense. It's heavy. It's nice. I was also thinking of giving it a clear coat. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about giving it a clear coat. So yeah, so I'm gonna post that guy on my Etsy, and then I'm gonna post these pencil holders on my Etsy, and so that's what I got with these guys. Thanks a lot. My next new product I wanted to talk about today was my cross. My cross light box. What I want to do is sell this. I'm thinking just the same as all my others. $39.99 with the light box, and just $19.99 just without the light. This went pretty easy. The design went pretty smooth. My biggest problem, not problem, my biggest thing now is just to see if folks want this or not. So that's what's going to go on. We'll get a little detail on what this looks like lit up. Alright, so here is my light box. This will be on my Etsy store tomorrow. I'll be listing this. I just listed the two the pen holder and the statue of David. So I'm just going to give it a break. I might list it later. I doubt it though. I'm going to do it tomorrow. But this is the American flag cross light box, illuminated throughout. So you can hang that on the wall, put that on a desk, put that anywhere you want. Next item up for sale there on the Etsy store. Etsy store is the same as my name here. Take it easy. You guys have a great day. All right, what's going on, everybody? So today went as planned. I got everything I set out to do. I got the heart charm going and the printers. I got my light box done. I got these, both of these guys on Etsy. I'm sure I'll get the light box on Etsy after this because it's only 3 o'clock and I got all day and all night, so it's only 3 o'clock. And so, yeah, I'm going to get that light box listed. And then moving forward, yeah, anybody have any ideas, comments, or anything like that that can improve my processes, or any ideas that you think could improve my sales strategy? Look me up on Etsy, man. CKchrome. Look at my listings. Tell me anything you can to help me out, because I really want this to work out. So anyways, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.